Bitcoin is going to go down. If I don't get out now, I'm going to lose all of my money. It's all good. I've got to tell all my friends. Your Bitcoin, get rid of it, get rid of it. Where's Joey? This guy is always asleep. Welcome back. You've done a great service. You've served your country well. You will be relieved. Rest up. You deserve it. You deserve the R&R. Thank you for your service. Where's Joey? It appears that no one ever knows where Joey is. Find him. Well, good afternoon, YouTubers. This is Crypto Big Boss. And as you know, Bitcoin just hit another all-time high, 66,000, begging to be 67,000. And like I said yesterday, for all those who are subscribers to this channel, I was upset. I said to you guys that the biggest story of the year is that the Bitcoin ETF got approved by the SEC, and wouldn't you know it, the very next day, Bitcoin sets an all-time high.
That freaking idiot! Stupid ass fool, you idiot!
I know everybody hates me. I wish I hadn't said anything. How will I ever go back to work? Everybody's gonna be pissed. Jeez.
rich.